making a bauble, a Christmas watercolor wreath, and a mug of hot chocolate in watercolor in this Christmas painting tutorial. I'll be using the A6 travel paint kit from Viviva for all three paintings. The Viviva paint kit includes the sketchpad, the pen, and the waterbrush, which I'll be using for all three paintings. However, I'll be using a different set of Viviva color sheets in each Viviva art tutorial. For the watercolor painting of a bauble, I'm using the Viviva fall set of color sheets. First, I'm going over the entire bauble with pastel blue. Gradually darkening the color towards the edges to create a sense of volume in my painting. I'm adding ink blue to the pastel blue to darken it. If you'd like to know more about the fall set of Viviva color sheets or about the Viviva Travel Art Kit, you can watch my Viviva Color Sheets review video, which I'll link in the description. You can get Viviva art products at a 10% discount by using my affiliate links and code, which you can find in the description. If you use my affiliate links, I'll get paid a commission at no extra cost to you. I'm using Happy Yellow as the base color for the details. Once I've got the base color down, I add fire on top of it to add some sparkles. Fire is a gorgeous orange color that has sparkles in it. And what better time to use a sparkly color than the holidays? I'm also adding fire to the top of the bauble. This is it for the watercolor bauble tutorial. Next up is the watercolor wreath tutorial. For this painting of a watercolor wreath, I'll be using the spring set of Viviva color sheets. You can find out more about Viviva's spring set in the YouTube short I linked in the description. To get the green I want for this wreath, I'm mixing olive green and foliage green. I'm applying this color to the whole wreath. Next, I'm adding a darker shade of the same green to start creating depth and dimension. If you'd like to use this Viviva watercolor lesson to create these paintings yourself, you can find the links to the reference photos I used in the description. I am now adding an even darker shade of green in short lines to create texture. Finally, I'm coloring the string with metallic red, which is a red paint with sparkles in it. This is the finished painting of a wreath. Next is the hot chocolate watercolor painting tutorial. In this one, I'll be using the standard set of Viviva color sheets. I reviewed this set of Viviva paints as part of my Viviva Travel Paint Kit review. You can find the link to that video in the description. I'm using a very watered down mix of burnt umber and slate black over the whole mug. I then mix a darker shade of the same color to add shadows. I use deep pink to paint the stripes. I'm adding slate black to the deep pink to get a darker color to create volume in the subject. These are all my watercolor Christmas paintings. If you like this Viviva watercolor painting tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art-related content. And don't forget to grab a 10% discount on Viviva Colors products by using my affiliate links and code, which you can find in the description.